I've heard that GMOs really aren't that good for you and that they can cause cancer. Is that true? I want to know more.
So just to touch on GMOs, no, they are not bad for you. They don't cause cancer or any of those misleading information that you hear. A lot of crops that are grown, which there aren't very many realistically, are grown for different reasons. And so they are genetically modified to be heat tolerant, drought resistant, anything against bugs and pests and different funguses, molds, anything that's going to affect that crop in a negative way. That is how they are going to genetically modify that variety of seed for a specific trait. So you don't have to spray as much chemical. So you can just help the plant grow. You don't have to do a lot of work to it. It's already going to be bred into the genetics of that seed. Same with when you talk about CRISPR. You're just taking out little pieces and adding in new ones that are better at tolerating different things. The heart from the pig that got put in a human. So they did some cutting and editing with those genes so that it was a much better transplant and it was not rejected by a human. Things that weren't needed in it that are required for a pig that aren't for a human. And so GMOs are doing a lot of amazing things to make better crops, to make better products, and I don't see them going away anytime soon. And it's definitely not because they are a danger to your health or society in any way. So just remember that we are growing GMO crops basically for a good thing for the environment. It's more of a benefit. We aren't going to need to irrigate as much on some crops. We aren't going to need to spray as much pesticides on different crops. Some crops would be extinct and be gone if they were not genetically modified. So just keep that in mind and do your own research and try to look for the positives on it. Remember, what you search online and how you type things into the search bar is the results you're going to get. So if you want straightforward answers, type in straightforward questions, and that's the best way to find out information on a specific food product that you may have that you are questioning about that's genetically modified.